Three terms: data warehouse, data lake, data lakehouse. Every architect uses them interchangeably. Most engineers can't tell them apart in a meeting. By the end of this video, you will. I'm Vera, 17 years in data and AI distilled. Start with the warehouse. The data warehouse is a structured, schema-on-write store. You define the tables, you load the data, you query it with SQL. Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, Synapse, same idea. Different vendors. Optimized for analytics, fast aggregation across billions of rows. Best for structured business data, sales, orders, customers, where the schema is stable and you need consistent SQL performance. The data lake is the opposite. Schema-on-read. You dump anything, Parquet, JSON, images, video, into object storage like S3 or ADLS. Massive, no schema enforced upfront. Tools like Spark or trying to query it later. Best for machine learning teams, semi-structured data, and raw events. Trade-off, data quality varies, and the same query can return different results next month if the underlying files change. The Lakehouse is the bridge. Take a data lake, that's your cheap, flexible, object storage layer. Add a transactional table format on top, Delta Lake, Apache Iceberg, or Apache Hudi. Now you get a CID guarantees, schema evolution, time travel, and SQL performance, without giving up the open formats and the elastic storage. Databricks pioneered the term in 2021. Snowflake supports Iceberg natively. The Lakehouse is the convergence pattern of the next decade. So which one? Here's the rule. If your data is structured, your schema is stable, and your users live in SQL, pick a warehouse. If your data is unstructured, your patterns are exploratory, and your users live in Python and Spark, pick a lake. If you have both, and most enterprises do, pick a lakehouse. The lakehouse is a strategy, not just a product. One storage layer, multiple compute engines. The real win of the Lakehouse isn't technology, it's organizational. One source of truth that the data team, the ML team, and the business intelligence team all read from. No more copying, no more drift, no more whose number is right meetings. That's Lake, Warehouse, and Lakehouse. Subscribe to Data and AI with Vera for one practical lesson every other day. See you in the next one.